Let's assemble the grader. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the grader. Press the pump. We did it! Let's level the ground for laying the railroad. Let's weld a crack on the grader. Amazing! Let's grind the welding seam. That's all. Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of Keep It Up. That's all. Now let's load materials into the dump truck. Amazing! Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. We need to assemble the track laying machine. We did it! Let's lay rails and sleepers. We need to assemble the dray scene. Don't stop. Let's load the dray scene. Ready. Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. Let's wash the dray scene. Keep up the good work. That's all. And now we need to fuel the railroad excavator. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's dig an excavation pit for the foundation. Hooray! Let's load the concrete mixer. Hooray! Let's pour concrete for the foundation and make a platform. That's all. Don't stop. Let's build the first floor of the station. Keep it up. Let's fuel the crane with cargo bed. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's put stairs and cover the second floor. Let's weld a crack on the crane with cargo bed. Ready. And now let's grind the seam. Don't stop. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Ready.